Satan was there. Satan was real to you. Satan called himself
Look, I'm very aware of how my energy affects everyone around, so I am doing my best to do something chill that does not demand that you keep up with my frenzy, fury, rage, and all the rest. Amphetamines got me on something by any means when sharing my joy to infinite end. Also, being a good grand architect infinitely is the only end I can truly imagine or see. In other words, knowing my purpose is infinite and never to pursue the meeting of any ends is the means by which I justify my existence and perception lens. Enough of making, enough of nothing, no, enough of nothing, no. Get this. Ministering to a new ministry comprised of all of any of you who digs this shit and looks at or up, even down to me as well. Forming a new congregation in a church committed to making its own religion, history, and getting out of hell. Anything I am going to say on record and to your face is going to be something, even if grimy, and on the surface will be laced with all sorts of fire and flame, bright and hot enough to destroy any of these blood-sucking imps any day. Yo, at the end of the night, these words are verse. Yep, these words are first unified, which create a universe which amounts to shining sunlight on a vampire weak enough to turn to dust. Also, any wooden dagger of a fucking line like this may be shoved into the hearts of any blood-sucking weak bitch. I heard a quote, a voice inside my head that is probably Hitler. He really enjoys my amphetamine and will to make a perfect humanity, and this is what he said. To construct paradise, a higher power must take many human lives. And I was like, what the fuck? But you know what? The man is right. And also, if you don't think about genetics a lot, you're probably not a god. So I'm going to go on and on and on ahead with the energy levels within my mind and head within my processor, which is quantum computer speeds. Fucking, yo, the screws I loosen, I can refasten. Yeah, I am